Hello everybody. In the previous video we were talked about the speech mechanisms, and now we are going to talk about the organs of speech. What are the organs of speech? What are called the organs of speech? Why they are called the organs of speech? For the production of speech sounds, we need airstream mechanism. In the previous video, I've talked about three airstream mechanisms: the pulmonic, glottalic, and the valeric airstream mechanisms. So, for the production of speech sounds, we need airstream mechanism, either of these. For some speech sounds, either of these we use. Okay. The air we breathe out comes out from the lungs. So, we take in air through our nostrils, some air, and some air through our oral cavity, and this air enters into the lungs. There, oxygen is being taken, and carbon dioxide is being sent out from the lungs into the outside world. Before it gets out into the outer atmosphere, various organs in our body convert it into speech sounds. So, the air which is being sent out from the lungs into the outside world, this air, when it comes coming out, it is being converted into speech sounds by making use of certain organs, and these organs are called the speech organs. What are the organs of speech? What are the organs of speech? The lungs are necessary for breathing. The lungs, vocal cords, the tongue, the teeth, the lips, or some of the speech organs commonly described in phonetic literature. The lungs are necessary for breathing, and the vocal cords shut tightly, and this prevents the food from entering into the windpipe. See, in this region we have two pipes, windpipe and the food pipe. The food enters into our stomach through the food pipe, and the air goes into the lungs through the windpipe. And the vocal cords, they shut tightly so that the food cannot enter into the windpipe. So these vocal cords shut tightly, and they prevent the food from entering the windpipe. The tongue is used for differentiating the tastes. The function of the tongue is differentiating the tastes. These are the primary the teeth are used for chewing food. The teeth are used for chewing food. These are the primary functions of all organs. These are the main functions of all organs. In addition to these primary functions, these organs also involved in the production of speech. So, the teeth, the lips, the vocal cords, and the tongue, they do their own primary function, and apart from the primary function, they also involved in the production of certain speech sounds. That's why these are called the organs of speech. And in the previous video I have also shown the organs of speech, or the figure for organs of speech. See, this is the figure for organs of speech, and see, we have seen here the teeth and the lips. These are the teeth, the lips, and this is the teeth ridge, and this is the hard palate, and this is the soft palate, and this is the pharynx, epiglottis, and this is the tongue. And tongue is divided into different parts like tip of the tongue, blade of the tongue, front of the tongue, back of the tongue, and the root of the tongue. And this is called the epiglottis, and this is called the windpipe, and this is called the sorry, this is called the windpipe and this is called the foot pipe. So, and this is the larynx. This is the whole, this is the nasal cavity. This is the nasal cavity. And this is the whole parts of speech figure, the diagram for the organs of speech. So by making use of lips, the tongue, and the vocal cords, and also the lungs, and also so these are the lips, the teeth, the tongue, and the vocal cords and the lungs. These are the primary organs of speech. They are used in the production of certain speech sounds. So they are called the organs of speech. Thank you very much.